Today, we're diving into the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card and all the details you need to know before deciding if this card is right for you. Let's start with the basics. The Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card is a great entry-level travel credit card for those who frequently fly Southwest Airlines. It offers a decent sign-up bonus, reward points for purchases, and travel perks, making it a popular option for budget travelers. With this card, you could earn rapid rewards points on every purchase, but it's especially beneficial when spending on Southwest flights or partner services, like hotels and car rentals. You earn 2 points per dollar on Southwest purchases and 1 point per dollar on everything else. One of the major advantages of this card is the potential to earn a companion pass, Southwest's famous buy one get one free ticket program, if you rack up enough points in a calendar year. Additionally, there are no blackout dates or seat restrictions when redeeming your points for flights, which is great for travelers looking for flexibility. Now, let's talk about the costs. The card comes with a $69 annual fee, which is on the lower end compared to many other travel rewards cards. However, it's important to weigh that against the value you're getting from the points and travel perks. For frequent Southwest flyers, this card can easily pay for itself through the points and discounts you'll accumulate over time. One of the downsides of the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card is the lack of premium perks you might find on higher-tier travel cards. It doesn't offer benefits like airport lounge access, TSA pre-check credits, or annual travel credits that some other airline cards do. If you're a frequent flyer who values luxury perks, this might not be the best card for you. Also, while you can earn points on everyday purchases, the 1 point per dollar on non-Southwest spending is not the most competitive rate when compared to general-purpose rewards cards. Another thing to consider is the foreign transaction fee, 3% on purchases made outside the U.S. If you're a global traveler, this might add up quickly, making it less ideal for international trips. Overall, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card is a solid choice for frequent Southwest travelers who want to earn points toward free flights, especially if you're looking to score a companion pass. Just keep in mind the $69 annual fee, foreign transaction fees, and the lack of high-end perks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more credit card reviews.